a truck next to the car.
No. You gonna drive your truck?
Yeah.
Okay. There it goes. Oh no! You ran into the wall. Now what?
The girl's gonna go there.
No, leave that one there.
Because it's already stopped.
Yeah, he stopped already.
Don't.
Did that scare you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's okay, it's just a car. Did he scare you? Say, don't scare me, car. You want me to hold you? Are you okay now?
Yeah.
Did the car scare you?
Yeah.
Okay, he won't scare you anymore, okay? You want to drive your truck some more?
No.
No. You gonna leave him over there?
Yeah.
He's all by himself, though. You want to go pick him up and move him?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go pick him up and move him.
Okay. I'm sorry.
No, you don't need to be sorry. I'm sorry I ran the car into you. It was an accident.
Okay.
You gonna drive your car some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's he going? Are you gonna drive him into the house? Okay, are you gonna be all done?
Yeah.
Okay, so we turn the camera off?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.